How to turn off or restart your iPhone. To turn off or restart your iPhone, there are a couple of methods that you can follow. For the first one, simply launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings, scroll down a little bit, there you see General option. Go through it. Now scroll down to the last, there you see Shutdown option. Simply tap on it and on the top you will see slider. Slide it to shut down your device. Now to restart your device, you have to press side button until you see black screen with Apple logo. The next method to restart your device is doing forced restart. For that, simply press the volume up button, then volume down button and keep pressing the side button until the screen goes completely dark and then the Apple logo appears. Then release the power button. In this way, you can easily restart or turn off your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.